I think I just volunteered to be one of the speakers at the beginning, so that they can bootstrap.
Okay. But obviously your background in AI and data science goes much further than that. Could you tell us a little bit about your background?
I have a very interesting background.
Would love to hear it.
Jumping between the waves very nicely. Luckily, I would say I have this opportunity. So when this AI wave comes, I was doing the AI stuff 3 or 4 years ahead of the curve. Once it really showed up, I have the opportunity to make my impact over there. Before that, there's another big wave is called mobile. Remember mobile wave? When mobile wave showed up, I was doing the mobile stuff there as well.
So app development?
But app development and infrastructure for app stuff.
Infrastructure for mobile apps, nice.
Even the mobile technology itself, I was doing that type of things. And then before that is internet. That time I was doing internet stuff, so I kind of feel very lucky.
The dot-com wave.
Yeah, I was kind of be able to little bit ahead for the technology wave, and then put myself like equipped it already to kind of catch the big trending over there.
Mm-hmm. Well, we're in a very exciting time. Obviously, maybe this is the third or fourth wave in the career you're describing. So one of the questions I always ask my guests is, what makes you the most excited about AI, and what makes you the most fearful about AI? So I'd love to hear what you're excited about and maybe something that makes you fearful about AI. What do you think?
That's a great question. So in our computer science or computer history about 50, 60 years, so we have to figure out how to deal with the computer. Right, because we invented a programming language, for example, because computers don't understand us. It's a piece of hardware running there. We're trying to abstract a better way to say, hey, if I say this, computer will do that. Until this wave of AI, computers start have the capability to understand our language, a human language. Now I would treat this is my excitement. So it's a time to revenge. Let a computer learn how we works instead of we learn how computer works.
Through language.
Yeah, through language, right? So even the machine is learning, it's really learning now, right?
Sure.
I just demonstrated this is the right thing to do, or tell it, and they are going to follow. Right? It's not like I have to figure out, okay, if I turn this knob or turn this code, the computer will behave like that way. Right. So that time is living. So that's me excited about it.
I haven't thought of it in that perspective, but I love that. I love that. So what makes you afraid of AI?
So afraid of AI, I see this wave. AI have many waves as well. So this wave,
and still to come.
Right, this wave is really the wave. It's bringing a huge value to the human beings. Previously, most of the wave are at the academic side, never break the ceiling about usefulness. This time you can see not just the researchers, all the world, many people in the world are starting to leverage the AI to do their daily life, to produce something interesting. So we are really starting to benefit from AI, which is really great. So of course, we need to educate all the people deal with AI to know what AI is good at, what AI is bad at, how much trust we should put when you deal with AI. I think this huge education burden is one thing. I don't know how long it will take us to make that happen. And now because AI is evolving us anyway, right? So this education has to continuously going, because how to deal with that could be changed tomorrow. We're moving very fast on that.
Sure.
So this is a kind of risk management, in my opinion. Is how do you manage? We kind of blindly trust AI. I mean, human beings, we understand. We are lazy, right? Once it works 3 times for me, I start thinking it should always work for me. Right? But actually, from theory, that's not the case yet. We're trying to see, can we get to that stage? If we can get to that stage, perfect. So far, we're not there yet. So my worry, a little bit of worry is about, do we have enough knowledge and education facility there, so that everybody, not just experts, understand the drawback or the problem of AI and be able to apply it to their real usage of AI.
Well, it seems like some of that time pressure is also just caused by how quickly things are moving. We just don't have time enough to evaluate it, right?
That's right. That's right. Yeah.
So one other question I'd like to ask all of my guests is, I give you a magic microphone that lets you talk to the entire world for 5 minutes. You only have 5 minutes. You can only really share one concept in that time, but everybody in the world has to listen to you. What would you tell them? Maybe there's a misconception you want to clear up or something you want to share. You know, it doesn't have to be AI, whatever you want. You got 5 minutes to talk to the entire world. What are you saying?
That's a great question. I never thought about this. I have this power to be able to talk to the entire world.
Yeah. And it doesn't have to be AI, it can be whatever, or even tech, just whatever you'd want, you know, maybe a personal message. What do you think?
I would say technologies always come. It's always trying to help us. So be open-minded and take advantage of what it can help you. In the meantime, be cautious, knowing what it could hurt you as well. So be smart.
Very good, very good. But so you're very, it's a very pro-technology message with a little bit of caution.
Yeah. So we see the history like this, right? Every time that new technology comes, there's always worries, concerns, but eventually, if it really help human beings, we adopt it and we transform ourselves into the position, can manage that, manipulate, get a benefit from that, open the new doors for us to make our life better. I believe that's the same thing will happen.
Wonderful. Well, I think that the tool you have is going to certainly help a lot of data science lives be better. So we'll have the demo played over our interview. I'll include links to anything that documentation or access that we can share. But thank you so much for spending the time with me. Really appreciate you.
Likewise, it's so great to talk with you. Great questions. Love to see all the audience feedback on this. Please let me know.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.